Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the iPhone 5s LCD assembly. As you can see here, I got a bad unit. So first of all, you'll have to unscrew the bottom screws. There are two of them. So just take them out, and then you are going to use a suction cup and a pick. So what you want to do is pull up with the suction cup and try to go inside with the pick like this. Now you want to be very careful on the bottom side here. You don't want to get too much inside because there is a ribbon cable. I'll show you. This one, which is coming from the home button for the fingerprint sensor. Then after you open it up, you will have a piece of I don't know how to call it. It's a shield here. I don't have it because this unit was already open once, but what you want to do is just take it up from here, so you can then disconnect this cable just like that. Now you will see two screws inside here. Just take them out because here is where the battery is connected to the motherboard, and that's what you want to unplug first. So disconnect the battery, and then here on the upper part you will also have a shield like this, only bigger, and you'll have 4 screws. Take the 4 screws out and keep them in the same place because they're not the same. Some of them are shorter and some of them are bigger, and you don't want to mess up with their order because you can damage the motherboard. Then just disconnect the old unit. I'll just take a look at the connectors, see if they are looking bad. And they look pretty good. I will just connect it back and give it another shot, test if there was a bad connection. If not, then we'll have to replace it for sure. Yeah, it's bad. So I'll disconnect the battery and the LCD assembly again. And now let's try the new one. I recommend you to bend the ribbon cable from here, because otherwise you may end up with a bad unit. Now connect it to the motherboard and give it a shot, see if it's all working properly. So it seems to be alright. I'll just shut it down. And prepare it. So now what we have to do is take all of these parts and put them on the new LCD assembly. So let's begin with the upper part. I recommend you to always keep the place of the screws, don't mess them up. You want to put them back in the same order. So now we'll have to unscrew the side screws. There are two of them on each side, and there are 3 screws on the bottom. Just make sure you don't break anything. You don't have to do it fast. That's all you need from the old one. So now we will just put them on the new assembly, and we'll start with the home button here on the bottom. Make sure you test it out, see if you can push it and feel the click of the button. Mine is alright, so now we can screw up the side screws. Just make sure the two plastics here don't fall. So now we'll have to screw the last screw on the bottom, here the third one. And we're done there. Now what you wanna do here is you wanna put the microphone here, this one, in this hole. So let's do that. Just push it inside. Like that. And now we want to go with the whole assembly like this. And it all should be at its place. Now we'll take the earpiece, put it on its place, and then the metal shield. You go first in the left side and then you click it on the right side like this. And now we'll have to screw the two holding screws. So that's about it. The assembly looks pretty good, but the camera is not on its place, so I'll just unscrew them back and take another look, see if I can do anything about the camera, the front camera. It's looking the same, but I'll just make a test, see if it's capturing any of the white side of the LCD assembly. So what I want to do next is connect all of these three connectors back, make sure they are good connected. Then you want to put the metal shields back. I only have one of them, so I will only put this one back. Now what you want to do is connect the home button here on the bottom. As you can see, I'm using a tweezer. Just push it inside. And now put back the metal plate on it, and then just go like this on the upside with the LCD, and then snap it into place. Make sure you don't break it, of course. So that's it. Now I'll just put the bottom screws back. There you have it. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you.